If you need to cancel a pending transfer with American Bank of Montana, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Make sure you have your account information handy before you begin. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Bank of Montana website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Once logged in, locate the transfer section in the main menu. This is where you can view all your pending and completed transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer you want to cancel. This action will open up more details about the transaction, including options for cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Look for a cancel transfer option and click it. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any additional instructions to finalize the cancellation. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.